Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use Keeper security. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to do, I will click here Get Keeper Free. Now I'm going to choose for personal use, but you can also use for business and MSP. Now I'll just add here my email address and I will go sign up for free. Okay, now I'm going to create my password, make it like really safe. And I accept the terms of use. And now I will have to go just to my Gmail account. And I'm going to get a code. Here we are. Next. And voila, here we are. You can also import your existing password into Keeper. You can install the Keeper import and import it. I don't have any passwords right now to import because I use it as a new program. But if you have it, you can do it. Straight away, your password files and photos stored in the Keeper are called Keeper records. Let's create one together. Let's do it. Now I will click here, create a new record. And now you can create a record, folder, share folder, or payment card. I'm going to create a report first. Now you have a title here, let's go with Facebook. Then you have email and username. That's my login. And now I would just add my password here. And then you're gonna see website and address. So you just add here the address. So when it's Facebook, it's Facebook. When it would be Twitter, Reddit, I don't know, whatever, just add here the website address. And then you can add files and photos. And also you can add two-factor code if you want, right? And you can go with manual entry or QR code. And you can also add a note. Then go to top right and click save. Also, the one thing I wanted to share with you is that you can create a generate password right here. And you can, how many letters, numbers, and sim if you want to. But again, I'm going to with normal, with mine, and click save. Okay, first record. Let's install your Keeper browser extension so you can autofill password. Install now. So you go to Chrome Google. If you have Chrome Google, use that. If you have Firefox, then use for Firefox. Add Chrome extension, and of course, if you have for Apple, use Apple. Okay, and here we are. So right now I'm going to point it here. And I can display logs. I have Vault here, settings, user guide, and logout from Keeper. I can simply click on Vault here. And you can also set up your account recovery on your account. Let's go with yes. And let's security question. And I'm going to edit, what was my dog name? Security answer is going to be Clea. Save. Okay, but Abby and like this. Okay, and voila. So here we got our own record. We have our own Keeper password. So right now when I'm going to go on Facebook, I will just log out from Facebook. I can simply come here, display logs. I need to refresh the website. Would you like Keeper to autofill for a login? Yes. And voila, here we got it. So again, I'm going to log out to see it again. And voila, when I'm going to move on email, I'm going to click on it. I can simply click this and it's going to autofill. You can also disable the autofill if you want to. That's like completely up to you. But this is pretty much it how we do it. So when we are here, what you can do more? My Vault, you can create new, you can create folder, and let's say like these are my notes. Let's create. And voila, I can simply create new or click, there are my notes, click edit it. I can add records. So I can add a record, I don't know, Google. And click add. Or this is the better way. Create new. Record. Title. Again, let's go with Google. Login. Password. And address. Now you can add also custom fields, files, photos. Note. Click save. And now I can simply move it to my folder. Move. Voila, here we got the records. Then you can go also create a shared folder. And now, new shared folder, I can have it in my vault or these are my notes. And folder name is going to be for my family. Right? And then you have records here and users. Default user permission. Can manage, you can click edit. And you can simply add someone to your shared folder. Simple as that. Now you just click save. And right now, everything will be there in the shared folder. Everyone who is going to invite, they can see it. Then you can also change color. Or you can delete it. So this is how you can add record, folder, shared folder, and also how you can add a payment card. So right now we are not in my vault, we are in identity and payments. Card title can be, card number can be, let's go. I'm making this up. April 2022. Security code can be like this. Name of the card, Marcus Stone, and you can also add a billing address if you want to, or you don't need to really, and click save. So voila, here we have it, and now you can just simply add another payment card. That's completely up to you. What will happen that right now when I would pay for something, it would autofill me also my card. And you can see right here that the extension is working well. So see. Now to go further, you can go to security audit and you can see the password strength. So this is like the security audit of your password, like if they are okay or no. And you see the password strength and you want to have it like really strength. Then you have like reused and weak password. And this is how the security works. Then you can go to breach watch. I'll alert you when your stolen username and password match yours. Let's begin. Scan. One or more or password may have been compromised in dark web. And you can turn on the breach watch. Of course, I think this is the way how we can like get not for the free trial, but how they can get money from you. Because I don't really think that one of my passwords is a risk. Only because, like, you know why it's going to show? Because I created with a small, weak password strength, and because of it, it showed me that it's at risk. And then you're gonna have the delete items here, but you need to also buy keeper for it. When you're gonna go to secure add-ons on top right, you can get keeper chat, breach watch, secure file storage, secure file storage and sharing, keeper family fan, or keeper for business. But again, you need to upgrade for it. Then in the top right, you can go to settings, and then you have a theme here that you can choose. You can reset now the master password or security question or the email address. You can also find and delete duplicate records. On the security, you can stay logged in on this computer. Enable self-destruct. After file login implements, all locally stored key profiles are erased. Two-factor you can enable. I recommend enabling it. Definitely with a text message for your number, or you can go with Google and Microsoft. Then we have Keeper Fill Hill, Keeper for apps, and you can import or export your passwords. But this is pretty much it, how you can use it. I don't know what else should I show you, but this is like the guide how you can use it. When you're gonna pay, you can autofill it on Facebook right now when I am here. I can click here and voila, I got it, right? You get all the records here. You can record the history, delete it, you can edit it if you want to. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.